Sånt ska ut i Leanportti.
Is it staircase?
C.
C, yes. We have been into A, which is the most important one, is in this residential building.
Yeah.
Let me check the address again. Oh, was it Radiokatu?
I think it was.
Yes. There's also 7 floors.
Yeah.
Amazing, built in 1983, VS 6430. 4 persons or 355 cars. There's a cleaning woman here at the moment.
Yeah. So unnoticed now.
I hope she's not the same one who let
Yeah.
us in the one of the 1982 ones in
Yeah.
Maistraatin Katu today.
Niin.
But I don't think she's the same because she had a red
Yeah.
red basket.
Yeah.
Here is a blue one, so it's probably a different.
Yeah.
Let's say the go button. Please see on it also here. Of course. Yeah, it's going to be inspected in 2022. It turned 35 years old in 2018. So also Valmet with steering buttons.
Yeah.
And in this building, yeah, we have only the staircase B left.
Yeah.
But staircase B shouldn't be too hard because we can stand on both sides.
Yeah.
So we don't have to do it right now, but we can do it later. The B some other day, maybe next week.
Yeah.
Back to floor 1. I love the relays. She's vacuuming.
Yeah. Niissä pitää paikki vai. Miten also no descriptis.